What's up, guys? You are watching Technology Throwing, and today we are going to talk about Nothing Phone 1. So, in a surprise move for a handset that aims to set itself apart from the iPhones of this world, the new Nothing startup said its one will become without a charger in the box. The news comes joined with a picture of a pile of Nothing Phone 1 boxes that don't have an adapter inside, reports Abhishek Yadav. Yet the leaker did confirm that the display will support 120 Hz refresh rate. Other than that, the Nothing Phone 1 is expected to $490 in a bundle with the Nothing Air 1 buds and an upper mid-range Snapdragon 77G Plus processor, 6.6 inches display and a dual camera kit consisting of 50 megapixel main and 16 megapixel ultra wide cameras. Thus, the Nothing Phone 1's unique standout feature will remain its unique transparent design rather than details like bone chargers or selling the specs at cost. We have to admit that the handset looks extremely cool and can't wait to get our hands on one for review. Nothing delivers only the best of Android, no bloatware, just speed and a smooth experience. Hardware and software speak a single visual language with bespoke fonts, sounds, and wallpapers, enables seamless integration with third-party products. Time to unlearn this extraordinary dual camera has two advanced 50 megapixel sensors, shoots exceptionally stable videos, has studio lighting built in, and night mode to take images to the next level. Design that goes beyond the surface, made with 100% aluminum, leading the industry with over 50% of the plastic components and the unfailing determination to shrink tech's environmental impact. Thanks for watching till